New information tonight out of Polk County. A grand jury report calls the Highlands Youth Academy a ripoff for citizens that poorly serves children and should be shut down. This is video from a riot back in 2013. I-Team investigator Adam Walser has the details of that report.
This presentment from the Polk County grand jury became public today. It was called for by the state's attorney's office after a riot, an escape, and several other incidents. And what the grand jury found is plenty reason for concern. Polk County Sheriff Grady Judd and State's Attorney Jerry Hill didn't pull any punches today, discussing a grand jury report regarding Highlands Youth Academy, formerly Avon Park, which is operated by private contractor G4S under a Department of Juvenile Justice contract. A 2013 riot sparked the original investigation.
It is a miserable failure down there.
More than 150 law enforcement agents were called to break up a fight that started over a bet involving the payment of cups of noodles to the winner of a basketball game. That riot resulted in 60 arrests, several injuries, and hundreds of thousands of dollars in property damage. Then there was a subsequent escape by this adult convicted felon who was housed at the facility. He snuck away while G4S employees were breaking up a fight.
They're in a non-secure environment. They're not even locked up by DJJ for their programming. They can leave, they can walk away, don't have to be reported to us for 2 hours.
The report says employees there are told not to call law enforcement when attacked and are poorly paid and trained.
They make $8 to $10 per hour to watch these kids.
The DJJ tells the I-Team it has made several improvements at that facility, including having security cameras installed, decreasing the program size, increasing the staff-to-youth ratio, and spending $2 million on facility improvements. But Hill and Judd don't believe that's enough.
These things have been years in the making. And now, since this presentment came out in the last couple of weeks, they've fixed it all. To suggest I'm skeptical is an understatement.
Hill says he sent a copy of this presentment to Governor Rick Scott and plans to contact Attorney General Pam Bondi and several key legislators in hopes of making reforms to the Department of Juvenile Justice as soon as possible. I'm I-Team investigator Adam Walser, taking action for you.